saw you smile.
Right, morning everyone. We are here at the swimming centre, the Riviera Centre, because as you can see, it's not great weather. It's been absolutely chucking it down all morning, so we decided we're going to come to an indoor swimming pool, go swimming for a little bit. The kids have been begging for it, so we're going to head in. Are you excited about swimming? You really love swimming, don't you?
Yeah.
Especially in the indoor pool.
Kick your legs to swim.
That's right, you do have to kick your legs to swim. And it's just starting to rain again. Yeah. So we booked swimming online. You don't have to, you can pay when you get here. But it was £6.70 for adults and £5.50 for children. There's a wave pool and a flume, but we are not sure if they're going to be open because on the website it does state weekends and school holidays. And we're not quite in the school holidays just yet.
Hello.
Hello. But Robin can't wait to get in the pool. You're very excited, aren't you? Yeah. Right, this is it. This is where we leave you because we can't take any video or phones into the swimming pool area. So we'll see you when we get out and I'll let you know how cool it was. So Miss Robin, did you have fun with swimming?
Yeah.
It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
They had lots of different areas, didn't they?
Yeah.
They had like a big swimming pool with a little toddler slide at the beginning and then loads of them buckets that tip on your head, didn't there? And then there was the little duck area, wasn't there? They got loads of like hooker ducks floating around a circle pool. And there is, yeah, we've got a play area in the background. We're just coming for a nice, I think we're going to get a drink and sit and have a relax. And the kiddies are going to go and play in the soft play, aren't you? We're just waiting for Riley and my dad to come out now. But yeah, it really was good, to be fair. Right, so we're in the little cafe. We've got loads of drinks and snacks, crisps and cakes. And then hot drinks, and they do some tea cakes and cobs and things like that too. So right, since we're over this way, we are going to go and have a quick look at the Cliff Railway to the seaside and back since 1926. So let's go. Right, so it's open 7 days a week. Last car down is at 5:55 and last car up's at 6 o'clock. For an adult return it's £3.75 or a single is £2.75. For a child return £2.75 or £2.25 for a single, or a family ticket of £12. So yeah, not too bad at all. Let's go. Right, so that's what it is. So it goes all the way down that way. And down and down and down and down and down. All the way down to the water. Right, that's it. We walked straight in, got straight on, and now we're heading down. And that's it, we're down. Literally, that was how long it took. Like 1 minute and 40 seconds. Very quick, very cheerful. We're not going on the beach like that. Beach will be wet through from all the rain we've had this morning. Yeah, but we didn't bring the bucket in the space. We can go and have a look. Hopefully today's the only day that it's meant to be a bit naff weather. The rest of the time it's meant to be nice, and so it's meant to be 22 degrees tomorrow. So can't wait for that. Oh, you can go and have a look. I know, I saw. Oh yes, there we go. Some little waves. Not too much of a beach, but tide is in, I believe. So obviously it's got rid of some of the beach. You can basically see, to be fair, there's a drop off there. And you can see with two different colours of the water. I do love the sound of the waves. There's Riley down there. Just walking down the beach, and there's a list of hires here, just in case you wanted to.
Hi, Caroline.
Hi. Not bad prices for some of them, to be honest. Definitely worth looking at. There's also a cafe down here. And again, just the beach and the sound of the waves. Let's see here. Yes, it does look like a nice little cafe. That it does. There's all the canoes and stuff that you can rent. So yeah, there's all the bits that you can run and stuff. It's not really the best weather today, and it's not really something we're into, but I thought I'd pop it in just in case it's something you like. Right, they're down throwing stones into the water and just having some fun. So I'm going to leave them to have 10 minutes or so while they play, and then I think we're going to get back in the Cliff Railway and head back up to the top. Right, the family have gone over there for a walk. In fact, if I zoom in, you can just see them all. So, they're all down there by the rocks. They've gone off on an adventure, and I've decided to stay by the waves and relax. The sun is coming out, it's getting a little bit sunny that way, and it's warm. It's like 19 degrees even with the rain we've had today. It's so I'm gonna sit here and have 10 minutes while they go off on their adventure down there. Don't know where they're going or what they're going to, but we've got to come back here to get on the railway. So I was like, do you know what, you go on your adventure, I'm gonna sit and have 10 minutes and listen to the waves. So yeah, that's it. It's official, the sun's come out. Hopefully it's going to stay out. They are all the way down there now. I just past those people there. But yeah, they're literally right down there now, which is quite far away. And I'm still sat here enjoying the sun, listening to the waves. So I'm not going to complain. Right, that's it. We're back on. We're going back up to the top now. All the way up to the top. Right, we've drove over to a place called Dawlish Warren now, and there's some sort of fun park, but I don't think it's open. Although there's a big sign that says open. Honestly, I haven't got a clue, so we're going to go and have a look. This is where we are, and it doesn't look like it's open. So yeah, we don't know what's going on with it because it says open daily from 10. But nothing there. And also the big wheel also is not open. Very, very odd. Very odd indeed. So we're gonna go have a look down this way. Okay, so obviously we come from down there where the big wheel is. There's shops and there's a bar that's open. And behind me is an arcade. What's the matter?
I had the staining.
Oh, is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. But we're gonna go up towards the sea. So there we are. Welcome to Dawlish Warren. There's a lifeguard service at this beach. So yeah, we're going to go up here and have a look at the beach, and then I think we're going to put the kids on a few arcade rides. So let's go. So over there is the lifeguard tower, and here is the beach.
I like our beach as well.
I know, I just said that. It's good, isn't it?
Lifeguards on the beach having the tower.
Yeah. Is that military ship again? No, different one.
Did we have a look at the beach yet?
It's here. The waves are covering all the beach, I'm afraid.
The tide's in.
The tide is in at the minute.
Not the beach over there.
No, there's not much beach left. Craziness.
Rat.
So, what's that big wheel? That one all the way over there?
Not where we've just come from.
Is that Torquay? No, I don't think it is it? Where's Dad? Dad! Is that big wheel Torquay? No, where's that? See, I was right, it wasn't Torquay. Exmouth. So all over there is Exmouth. So, I mean, the sea doesn't look very wavy there. It does look pretty calm, doesn't it? Pretty calm. No, not a flat calm, but it's not. No, but it's not exactly rough. Yeah.
You could swim in it.
You could swim. You could have a boat. You'd be all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice. Oh, so I just thought I'd show you this board. So high tide is at 1:20 and low tide is at 4 minutes past 7. So yeah, let's go. Hey. Hey. I wouldn't sit on that. Looks wet. Right, so what's that way?
Well, Torquay's round the corner.
Okay, so Torquay's round that corner over there.
Cargo ship out there. Container ship.
Oh, container ship, eh? Should we?
What the little one is out there.
Let's see. That one's definitely a container ship.
What the little one is.
Let's see if we can go across and see the little one. Oh, there we go. I think it is some sort of fishing boat. It don't look as big as the container ship. So yeah, I can't advise of that one, I'm afraid. Right, that's it. Now they're on the rides. Press, there we go. Oh, actually it does a bit of a manoeuvre. Not just a backwards and a forwards. Right then, look out the window, Riley, look out the door, smile, say cheese. Thanks. That's not a bad little bus, this. Quite like it. Hello.
You getting run over, Nanny.
It is a bit big, but so what? It's a pound, and you can fit. To be fair, you can fit probably 3 children on that for a pound. 2 that can drive, and 1 that could be just stationary sat if it's a younger child. But that's not bad. You don't mind paying £1 for that. Right, that's it. They've moved into the arcade. And they might be going on here. Blue and green already. Here they go. Here they go! Get the balls! Pull it! That's it, like that. You have to give it a proper... It's harder than it looks. It's over here. You can't move these ones. Yeah. Well, Riley won. I mean, that was a lot harder than what it looked. A lot harder. Right, that's it. She's on a horse. She made it on. You're funny. Yeah, you do. Looks like Dad and Riley have gone to have a game of, what's it called? Oh no, what's it called? The one with the pucks. I forgot what it is. Air hockey. Gone to have a game of air hockey. Is that it? You're resting now? Yeah, there they are playing air hockey. Having a good game. Oh, might have got one by the looks of it. What? No. There we go, stop. Here we go. Oh. Oh, own goal. Oh dear. Oh. Right, they're on this ride now that goes up and down. It is £2 and all 3 seats go up. So if you've got 3 kids, perfect ride to put them on. It's only £2. And you're going up and down. There he is. Riley is, to be fair, a bit too big, but if we paid for it, we paid for it. And obviously you go up and down and it spins around, so it's not a bad ride, to be fair. Especially, like I say, if you have got 3 children that can go on it, It's totally worth it. Are you having fun, Robin? She's not bothered as long as she's on a ride. Right, she's on this little train one now that goes round in a circle. Bits a pound ago. Oh, and it goes backwards. That's it then, forwards and then backwards. And then forwards. Oh, she's up there. I wonder if the buttons decide which way you're going. Robin, don't push the buttons. Let go a minute. Let's see. Yeah, so I think it's the buttons. The buttons decide if you go backwards or not, which is pretty cool. Yeah, the blue button sends it backwards by the looks of it. Right, Riley's over here having a go at what's this called? Ice ball, and he got. Let's see. You got. Keep going. Oh, that was close. Oh, there we go. So you got 14,900 on that one, and we've got some tickets for that. So no complaints. Right, Riley's on the horses now. Decided he wanted to have a go, so chucked him on there. And now Robin is going on the spinny ride, which is just next to it. And she loves the spinny ride, so let's head over there. There we go. There you go. That chucks you up. That's it, she's chilling. She's loving life, aren't you, Duck? She does like this ride. Oh dear, Grandad's run out of pound coins now, that's it. Oh, look at that face.
Hold on tight.
Right, we've come into the shop. I'm doing a bit of shopping. I found this jacket that I'm having because it's on sale. It should be at $29.99, it's $14.99, so we're having that. And Mum's got the same one, but in black and white and grey. But I'm just having another look over everything, because I do love a good shop. Ooh. I've seen some really pretty dresses, but unfortunately they just don't go to my size. But they have got some lovely bits. And some nice bags too, to be fair. I'm not allowed any more bags, I've been told. Been told off. And I've also got kids things here. Oh look, toys and things. 3-in-1 games. $7.99. That's not bad. Oh, what did we find? What are you looking at, Riley? Motorbike. What you got? A mermaid. Show me.
But she's got 2.
Oh, 3 sets of mermaids. And what's that? Is that a necklace with your name on, spelt correctly?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Right, come on then, we better go pay. Yeah, well, Robin's is clearly a bit cheaper. Right, let's get here and pay. Right, here's Mum's look. So it's the same as mine, but in grey and black and white. It's very nice. And now, we're heading back to the car. Right, okay, food came. I've already started eating mine because I did have an egg and some mushrooms, but they've gone. And I've only just remembered. Robin's had pasta again. And then garlic bread and corn today. Riley had fish fingers and chips, which is almost demolished. Mum had fish and chips with mush peas. And Dad had gammon, but he's covering it. Wait, let me show it. It's me and Mian. But he had gammon and chips. Were they normal chips or were they skin on fries?
Chip.
Not right, proper chips. But we got skin on fries. So we're enjoying it. And this beef dripping is absolutely gorgeous. Right, that's it. We're back at the hotel. Was today fun?
Yeah.
What was your favourite bit?
The ice. The pudding.
The pudding.
I love it, the fair.
The fair. You mean the arcade rides that we went on? Okay.
Yeah, that was my favourite too.
The rides.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rides were fun. It was good looking around that museum though, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was beautiful.
It was.
And if you come to this place and go to that place that we've been and order a tea cake, they are nice.
Oh, the tea cake. Yeah, the tea cake was very nice that we had, didn't we, up in the cafe?
Yeah.
It was very, very nice.
And I did want a backpack. Yeah, I did want a backpack, but...
Got a toy instead.
Yeah.
Managed to get a toy instead.
Yeah,
so.
I got a motorbike.
Yeah. Right then, well, see you next week.
I'll see you next week. Bye. And like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.